Do you know how we get energy for various activities performed by us? We derive energy for all our physical activities from the food we eat. Some organisms obtain their food from inorganic sources, while the others obtain it from the complex organic molecules. You often see green plants around you, but have you ever wondered from where they obtain their food to uphold life? Here is the answer. Green plants obtain their food through autotrophic mode of nutrition. Now the question may arise, what is autotrophic mode of nutrition? Autotrophic nutrition is the mode of nutrition in which the organism prepares its food from simple inorganic materials. All green plants are called autotrophs as they prepare their own food by photosynthesis. Let's now focus on the process of photosynthesis. Photosynthesis is the process by which green plants synthesize their organic food with the help of carbon dioxide and water in the presence of chlorophyll and sunlight to produce sugar molecular oxygen and water. Plants act like sugar factories which produce millions of new glucose molecules per second. They use this sugar or glucose as an energy source to build new leaves, flower, fruits and seeds. Plants get the basic ingredients from the environment for photosynthesis. Carbon dioxide comes from the air and water from the soil. Following events occurs during this process. Absorption of solar energy by chlorophyll. Conversion of solar energy into chemical energy. Splitting of water molecule into oxygen and hydrogen, and reduction of carbon dioxide to carbohydrates. The overall chemical reaction involved in photosynthesis shows that 6 molecules of carbon dioxide along with 6 molecules of water in presence of chlorophyll and sunlight gives 1 molecule of glucose and releases 6 molecules of oxygen. Now let us understand about the importance of each of the components of this reaction. Many times you have noticed tiny small pores present on the surface of leaves known as stomata. Though the exchange of gases also occurs across the leaves, lenticels in stem and root hair as well. But the gaseous exchange in plants majorly takes place through these tiny pores. The carbon dioxide necessary for this reaction enters into the leaves through these small openings or pores. Likewise, oxygen produced during photosynthesis diffuses out through these pores. Stomata have an internal opening or pore called stoma. The stoma is flanked by 2 epidermal cells called guard cells. The turgidity of the guard cells controls the opening and closing of the stomata, which in turn regulate the loss of water from the leaves into the atmosphere. Water molecules from the surrounding epidermal cells enter into the guard cells and cause them to swell, and the pores of stomata are opened. Open stomata helps to absorb carbon dioxide from the atmosphere, which is used in the process of photosynthesis, and at the same time they release oxygen as the byproduct of photosynthesis. Withdrawal of water. Molecules from the guard cells causes them to shrink and the pores of stomata are closed. The carbohydrate molecules produced during the process of photosynthesis and processed and stored in the form of starch. The starch produced by plants is now available as the source of food for other heterotrophic organisms.